So I'm just going to do a recap for this Friday. So if we look at the 15 minutes of the DXY, so it's sort of like just a slow day today. If we look at the actual higher time frame of the dollar, you can see that it's already tapped into this fair value up here, this BISI it's called, and it potentially wanted to gravitate towards this even more. However, we're looking from this perspective here. If we draw from the top of this high to the low, it pushes itself up into a premium and it sells off. So we look from this low to this high, it's now sold itself into a discount, so there's no point of selling it anymore. So this was over here, was in a premium, so you could have sold anything from here. And if we look at EU as well, EU just tapped into this order block here on the daily, and it's also this CB here. Oh, not even a CB, that's not. Oh yeah, it's a CB, sorry. It is a CB. So it's tapped into the CB and an order block, so there's no point of trying to just buy from here when it's clearly overbought from that perspective there, and from there. You see it's overbought because it's in a premium, so you don't buy in a premium. So going on to the smaller time frame, 15 minutes, we see London pushes up here. So London takes out these lows. It's quite, in my opinion, seek and destroy today. We had a interest rate yesterday, which was a big push for EU, so that's why there's this massive push down for the dollar. So people think this is support here, retail traders. London opens here, 2 o'clock is the London kill zone, immediately runs the lows, and then runs the highs to the buy side there. So now, what it's doing now is it's running again to the sell side for these lows here. So the people who've bought this are now getting taken out here, and the people who've sold this are now getting taken out here. So it's run sell side, so it's going for buy side here. So it is a lot of seek and destroy, and it just really choppy. So it's hard to trade today. So now it's just taking out this buy side here. There is a potential trade setup, I'd say. If we look at EURUSD, so again, same thing here. This is the 2 o'clocks, or the 2 o'clocks here for London. It runs the buy side and then runs this sell side here, which I saw here, and then runs the buy side here. However, I thought this was manipulation here. This push was manipulated because it's left like the two clean lows here. These are too clean in my opinion. There's a lot of liquidity here. So as soon as the 10 o'clock opens, the London kill zone, the silver bullet, sorry, it runs up, manipulating the highs, so manipulates everyone buying, takes out this buy side liquidity here, taps into this CB here, and I guess you could say this order block there, taps into the order block and this CB, and then runs lower for the sell side down here. Also, if we're looking at it as the 2022 model, this is buy side here. Buy side gets taken, there's a low here. Market structure shift and just comes back into that CB and then runs lower for this sell side here. So that's the 2022 model. And we take a look, just to quickly do the EMINI S&P. I didn't really have too much about this, but I just cleared that as buy side here, and it just ran it. Where did it run? Straight 9:30. 9:30 already ran the buy side, so it's manipulating people from the open of the stock market. So people with enticing buys, and then market structure shift here comes in, silver bullet, fair value gap, and enter ones for the sell size here. We'll see how that clears up by the end of Friday, which is today. So that's sell side, that could be potential withdrawal liquidity. So yeah, that's all I got for today. I'd say the one thing that I've learned as well is if price has already made a big push during yesterday, or like it's already hit its target for the week, there's literally no point trading, because then it gets choppy because the price is neutral, I guess, in my opinion, after it's tapped into this here and potentially ran into this order block here. So yeah, hope that helped, and I'm going to jump in next week and see where the draw liquidity is on the higher time frames. Be safe.